What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to edit a video in Davinci Resolve. So basically I recorded a video of me just yapping. This is just a base video. It's about like me playing BeamNG Drive multiplayer. So I'm just gonna go here, drag this in here. Yep, so this is how you do it. You can do it that way, or you can just go here. You can just import media and it'll just bring you here. I can go locate where you put your video and you can just take it in, click open, and it'll pop up here. Or you can just right click, click import media, and then do the same thing. You can do whatever way you want. You can just go here and drag and drop just like I did. Now we're just gonna get to the editing part. So the first one is the media. So you just drag all your media here. There's all the space for all your media, and you can preview the media. This is like the cutting section. So these cutting. There's these sections here. So if you want to like zoom in, you can use this, or like these little buttons here. They're already set. Or you can just click like hold Alt and scroll and use your scroll wheel. It zooms in and out. Well, here zooms in, zooms out. Or you can just hold Control and use your scroll wheel to just move around. Or you can just use this bar to move around. Control B to slice it. You can just hit backspace. That clue will just delete, and there'll be just like a gap there. So you can just drag that there. And yeah, that's pretty much all the stuff you need to know. So let's just get into the editing. So yeah. Yeah, I feel like it might be some energetic but like chill kind of music. So maybe, okay, not that. Maybe this, no. Probably this one.